Welcome back, my friends. I hope everyone had a fantastic 3-day holiday weekend. I hope you got well rested, and let's be ready this week to get those job applications in. Real quickly, if you're new here, my name is Lindsay, and I'm always searching the internet trying to find the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. So make sure you have those notifications turned on. That way you never miss another daily upload from me. But with that being said, we'll try to keep today's video as short as possible. Today's job lead is from the company Vanderbilt Mortgage. They are part of Clayton Homes, which is prefabricated homes, and they are looking for someone to work remotely as a loan processor. Now, as a loan processor, you will manage the loan pipeline to ensure loans fall within the federal and state regulatory guidelines. You'll minimize the point of contact for the customer, communicating on their behalf for various internal groups within Vanderbilt Mortgage. You'll provide detailed expectations communicated between the home buying customers and the home center team members. So you'll conduct real-time assessment of customer readiness and resource availability for them to be able to buy a house and move forward on a home loan. So this means that you'll determine the proper documentation required. You'll verify their income and employment types. You'll calculate income using information verified by the buyer. You'll collect all paperwork needed to complete a home loan. You'll monitor the accuracy of that paperwork. And if they are buying a used home, you'll request and review any used home repairs that are needed as necessary. Now, you do need a high school diploma or equivalent. While they do prefer a college degree, it is not required. You need to be available to work remotely with the availability to train and work from home. This is a 100% work from home job. You need to be able to use Microsoft Office and have good typing skills with a minimum of 40 words per minute. You need to have the ability to conduct research and make knowledgeable decisions. Great attention to detail, great organizational skills, and be self-motivated and dependable. Now, they do say you need to be able to sit stationary for long periods of time since this is a sit at a computer and work job. And it does say 90% of the time you will be on the phone communicating with home buyers over the phone, telling them what paperwork you need and collecting that paperwork and verifying details. So this is a phone-based job, but it is outbound calling. It is not sitting there answering inbound calls. You pick up the phone and you are making outbound calls to someone and requesting further information from them. Now, they do pay fairly well. It says $48,000 to $50,000 a year, which is $23 to $24 an hour. It does say that the hourly rate depends on education experience, and they offer various bonuses, which is not calculated into that, so you have the potential to make more than $50,000 a year. They offer medical and dental and vision insurance, 401ks, a paid time off, and it says that they have a tuition assistance for your first degree, and they offer work-life balance. Now, this job is for my United States viewers only, but my international people outside of the United States, I am working on a video just for you. Hopefully that will be out today or if not tomorrow. But with that being said, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.